Time for my boyfriend and I to start doing some of the work to finish the inside. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Rose, my pronouns are she, her, and this is another house renovation series video. It's Friday evening and the builders are not here, but it's time for us to start our own part of the renovation. We are doing the insulating ourselves and the plasterboarding and everything, so that is now starting for the Christmas holidays. What do you call that in English? Foam? Foamy?
Insulation foam.
Insulation foam.
Mousse.
Layer 1 is the insulation. We are using something called hard pressed that is 7 centimeters thick and really high quality insulation. That is now all in. And it's all done now. I think Mickey likes it and he's ready for the new windowsill as well. Cutting the insulation foam got us totally covered in it, but luckily my boyfriend has this pressure air thing, so he blew it off us. The living room at this point is still a total mess and workspace, but Maggie definitely noticed that there were no builders anymore. I don't know how that's comfortable in between all the building materials, but it was very adorable. Hey. And Mickey also was being very cute. Good morning. Today the builders arrived. It is the Saturday of our Christmas holiday. They arrived at 7:30 to have some coffee, and then the one guy told us that he can't work today because he's busy with other things, so
we're just a cafe now.
we are a coffee cafe for builders in the morning, and then we get to work ourselves. We are insulating the top of the dormer window. These bits is what we're doing ourselves. Insulation everywhere. Good material is everything. Our new steel beam, of course, won't let us screw on it for the inside wall. So we are gluing in a wood structure to build the inside wall on. Underneath the tree. Silent. And then it was Christmas. Good morning. It is the first day of Christmas. Happy Christmas from us. We went to my parents yesterday, but now it's time to get back to it. So we're gonna finish this front wall. First, we're taping with the aluminium tape, and then we're boarding it up. Let's go.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. The old ways get washed out by the rain.
Ooh.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
We have a lot of cold air coming from this corner, so I finally get to use the, I don't know what you call it, gun. Foam gun? What kind of gun?
Purr pistol.
Per gun.
If only just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free.
Look at this. All the way closed, closed, closed. Beautiful. The first day of Christmas, we had a lovely dinner at my boyfriend's sister's house. They made us these vegan, beautiful, I don't know what they're called, shepherd's pie? I don't know any meat words because I was raised a vegetarian. And then the second day of Christmas, which is a thing here as well, we had Mexican takeout. And actually that Mexican place is amazing, so that was great. Today it is time for the plasterboards. My boyfriend is doing most of the work because I have to finish a YouTube video that I have not been editing because of Christmas. Hey!
First time measuring and cutting.
Show me, baby.
Look at this, brother. Oh,
Oh, yeah! Checking out the new living room situation because my boyfriend worked very hard today. He finished all the plasterboarding, including filling all the holes and filling the gaps between the different plates. Plus, he thought it would be good to fix the ceiling here. Oh, I can't switch a light on. This was all broken open because of the steel beam that had to be put in. So he made a fresh ceiling as well. And I literally did not help at all because I had to finish editing the last video of the year. Whoops. But from now on, I'm more able to help, so that's good. My boyfriend has gotten pretty good at all these things. Apparently, this is how you do it. The second time you pull all the excess stuff off, which was very satisfying to see. Does feel. The next morning, we used our new nail gun
safety first.
to finish some edges before paint. I'm in the greenhouse where my boyfriend made some, what do you call them? Carrier thingies? For all the wood that is in the living room. Let's move it out so we can have our sofa back. Before, after. There's so much wood stored here, and also a kind of a basket of smaller pieces here. This is insulation that still has to go on the back of the house. Yeah, it's a lot. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hello. I spent today making all of this silver. Can you see the tape? This is all to prevent dampness, moisture going into the walls. Also here all the edges and corners and holes and everything. While my boyfriend painted the new plasterboard walls downstairs. This morning is finally the day where we are cleaning out the living room, putting back the sofa, and taking back our house, making it a little bit comfortable. We have internet again. A guy came this morning to reinstall it because it broke down because of the renovation. It's been a struggle uploading videos for you guys because it was so slow. Videos that took 9 minutes took about 3 hours to upload. I really related to Becca in this case. Take a good look around because last time you were seeing it like this. After emptying out the living room and doing some cleaning, we finally got to pull off the disgusting floor protection. My boyfriend had to reinstall the sound system first, and that turned out to be a little bit broken. It doesn't actually fit in there when the sofa is fully put together, so I had to wait a little bit, but he got it to work again. It's not finished yet, but our beautiful sofa is back. Yes. Yes. Hey, look who came to check this all out. Favorite sofa is back. It seems that Maggie feels very confident now that the builders have left, which of course I love. There's some more cute Maggie footage at the end of the video as a bonus. Check this out. Still chaos, but a corner of comfort and cleanliness. We love it. We thought removing just this circle of the floor cover would be practical, but it was actually the opposite because we'd still walk through all the disgustingness of the rest of it. So we quickly then removed all the rest of it, which was so satisfying.
Oh, treasure.
Look at how much dirt is underneath it and how worn out this poor fabric is from being here for 3 months. And we had just been watching Sex Education on Netflix, so we kept saying Otis to each other. Otis.
This is very dirty.
Ooh. Hey! Goodbye, disgusting floor. We also did this for the kitchen. And that's it for this video. It seems like a lot is done already, but actually there is a lot more to do. We still have plasterers coming. We still have a ton of work to fix upstairs in the dormer window, but that will be in a future video. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps. Leave a nice comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!